A strong hailstorm and torrential rain hit several communities in the state of Oaxaca, Mexico, leaving a trail of destruction and chaos. The storm, which occurred last Friday night, caused flooding in several streets of Ciudad Yagul subdivision and left areas painted white by the ice that fell in the middle of spring. The state fire department responded to various emergency services due to the impact of cars and falling trees in the metropolitan area of the city of Oaxaca. The Oaxaca State Coordination of Civil Protection and Risk Management ruled out any injuries or damage to infrastructure, but residents lamented the damage caused by the storm. The affected communities now need to recover from the damage caused by the storm and rebuild what was destroyed.